You don't know how to trade, right? Sorry, and you're using Market Cipher. Just let's use common sense here. You basically common sense trading. You realize that momentum started building from the side, headed into the positive territories. Then you realize that we crossed this line. This is the overbought line, the 60 line. Then we registered another bearish sign, meaning momentum is dropping. Even if you don't know anything about trading, just look at something. Money was also in the positive territories and it was heading down. Let's use common sense, basically. You realize that two most important forces are coming down. What happens to price? You could see we registered a red X here, which is a bearish sign, and it was falling down. Price was falling down. It felt and it felt and it felt. So it's like two important things heading the same direction. Two most influential indicators heading the same direction. Momentum fell once into the negative, then money started falling. You see, it fell like this. So if even if you don't know anything about trading, you could have held a long short here from the side from 46,000 through to 20,000. You understand? 46,000 through to 20,000. You understand? That's easy money for you. That's basically easy money because you just watching two most influential things heading the same direction. The same thing you can do for the index. When you see two most influential indicators heading into the positive territories, that's a long scenario for you. And I'm using the daily time frame, so it's like, well, it's easier for me to even short from a daily time frame, which is a very high time frame, a significant time frame. If you are if you are if your job requires you not to be on your screen for a long time, you can do stuff like these. Like when you see all these influential oscillators heading into the negative, you long. Sorry, you short. The inverse, you long. You understand? So it's always going to be that way. It's Market Cipher is very easy to use once you understand how it works, but it requires time. You understand, dedication, constant understanding of how the market works, and the psychology of as well. You have to understand that trading is a mindset. So you have to have it's a mindset to understand how trading works. So if you are in for the quick money, it's not going to work. This is not gambling. This is typical mathematics and just common sense, basically. So again, these are well audited veteran traders that can help you, aid you, assist you with your trading. And I also do have Discord as well. Link is on the description. You can join, learn. I more or less like focus on rookies. People don't know much about trading. Help them understand how trading works. And of course, this is my goal, is to help people all over the world to understand how trading works. So until then, have a nice time, people.